Another great new brand for the Real Deals for You campaign. And what a Christmas cracker Bosch have served up for you. The GWS 115mm mini grinder combines high power with comfortable handling. It's so light at just 1.9 kilograms and also comes with a bonus of a free diamond disc. Powered by a reliable 720 watt motor for a longer service life, with auto cut-off for maximum protection, the slim 56mm diameter housing provides a superb comfortable grip in use. Safety is paramount for Bosch, so no surprise this grinder has a bulletproof guard for maximum security, even if the disc breaks. Air inlets provide optimal airflow and cooling. Don't miss out on this great offer from Bosch on Real Deals for You.